just gonna go over a worm drive skill saw, circular saw. So basically, when you want to set your depth, unplug your cord, put it on the material you're gonna cut, and with this lever, you can lift and lower. So I always bring it to just where the tooth is about half the distance between the wood. Because when you bring your lock down, your blade's gonna compress a little bit more. So that's set at a nice level. The plate from the edge to where your cutting blade is 1.5 inches. I always measure, being that I cut pushing with my right arm, I always measure 1.5 inches more. So if I want 27 inches, I'm going 28.5. Now that we got our blade set at the depth we need, now a worm drive is gonna kick. You see how it twists in your hand? That's the power. And you can cut through a lot of material, dense material, with this particular saw. Better than a regular motor circular saw. You're gonna burn those out a lot faster. I've had this particular one for, 15, 16 years. And you're gonna go, oh, how'd you do it without cutting your cord? I'm gonna show you that in a second. So, I work with 2 clamps, one on either side, takes the rock out of your material. 27 inches, all you gotta do is mark 28.5. Using a square, 28.5. You hold that there and you push through. Now when I pick up my saw, I make sure the cord is behind my back leg. That way, when I push through, the cord stays away from the blade that's moving, and then I place the saw down away from myself. It's very simple. And if you do those practices, you're gonna have great results.